We have a problem here that talks about slope without saying the word slope. You can see these two lines, and it says they're parallel. So remember, parallel lines have the same slope. And it asks us for the value of p, right? We want to know what the value of p is, the y-coordinate where it hits that y-axis. And I'm given all the other coordinates of x and y intercepts, so I should be able to find p. I'm going to talk about this first, reasoning through it graphically, and then if that's enough for you, great. But the later part of this video is going to go through the equation of slope and how you would find the answer algebraically. So if you look at this picture diagram here, you can see this bottom curve is going up by 4 units in y, and then over by 2 units in x. So you can think of that ratio, that 4:2 ratio, as the slope, or the average rate of change. Either way, we know it's the same for both of these graphs. So if I look at this top graph, and I say, okay, this one also must go up 4 units and over 2. Well, the only problem is I haven't gotten to the y-axis where I want that. I want to see where that intercept is located right there. So I'm going to have to go up more and over more. So up more, over more. The question is, how much am I going over to the left? Well, if you look at this right here, that tells me I'm going 4 units to the left, whereas this other one over here was only going 2 units to the left. So if this curve on the right is going left by twice as much, stands to reason it's going up by twice as much also. So instead of going up by 4 units like this one did, it's going to have to go up by 8 units. So that points me to the answer 8 for the y-coordinate of p. Now that's a great way to reason your way through it. I think it's fine. But we can also talk about the slope as an equation. If I think about the left curve, m, the slope, is going to be equal to the rise over run. Okay. And if I want to plug in values, I can see that this curve is going, well, up by 4 and left by 2. So in other words, it has a slope of -2. Now that has to be exactly the same as the curve that I've started labeling with blue here. So that one's also going to be -2 because they're parallel. And it goes up by how many units? We don't know. It goes up by p units. That's how far it goes up in the y direction. And it goes left by -4. So we have this equation, -2 equals p over -4. Well, if you multiply each side times -4, right, we're going to get this. We're going to get 8 equals p. Okay, and that'll give you the y location of p.